This is a lovely home in Smoke Rise, also known as Stone Mountain, Georgia. We'll go inside to see how this beautiful house presents itself. It's freshly renovated, so when you step inside, everything is new. Everything. So it's essentially a new house. So let's go in, check it out. This is the front entrance. Again, this home is in Stone Mountain. 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. Here we've got a French door to this sitting area, library, study, office space, whatever you would like to call it. Beautiful hearth. Stone washed, so it's a different kind of a glaze on it. Can lighting in the ceiling. And just on this, reach, I guess you just outside of this area, you have a wet bar. So if you're just entertaining guests in this very small sitting area space, then you can get your beverage service here at this wet bar area. Now this leads over to some downstairs bedroom space. We won't go into that area, but I will show you this washroom. Yes, it's a washroom right off the family room here, but very close to the area that we're using as a sitting room, office space, study, so that you can entertain your guests without bringing them all the way into this family room area. Here we have a stone washed fireplace that goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then we've got this beautiful chandelier that overhangs this family room area with a catwalk there. Okay. So this beautiful light colored flooring goes all the way through the main area. On that side, you have your formal dining room with the bay window. And that door is a pantry that leads all the way back so that you can store everything. Now this is an eat-in kitchen here. And of course, this would be the space that would house your table. But now, take in all of that beautiful kitchen. Lovely island, plenty of cabinet space, nice range, 6-burner range, Sub-Zero refrigerator. A nice little seating area there where you hang your jackets or coats. And just in the distance there, you have your laundry room. Now, I do want to point out that yes, that is an outdoor kitchen area there for your barbecues and your fun times. There is a refrigerator space there. As you can see, there is a wash space, so everything can be done right outside by the pool. Isn't that beautiful? Plenty of room for your lawn chairs or pool chairs. And then here we have, I guess we'll call this a lanai or a sunroom. And there is also still extra space there for your lawn chairs or another table, whatever you would want to put out in that space there. Very nice, right? Very nice. So then we're still looking over the kitchen. We can reach in and hand me a soda right there. Oh, thank you so much. Or I'd like a nice glass of tea to sit out in the sunroom. And of course, we can come back into this area here, because now I want to take you for a walk on that catwalk up there. Just down here is the basement, We won't go down there, but it is finished with everything new. Everything is fresh. And did I tell you it smells like new house in here? So you'll get to experience the new house smell, even though this has been recently renovated. Hey, I'm going to sleep now. All right, so you get to take a walk on the catwalk. And this is the owner's suite. Can lights in the tray ceiling. You've got some lighting overlooking your beautiful artwork hanging over the fireplace. Closet space here. As well, you've got your water closet there. And by the way, check out this beautiful flooring. It's nice, right? And now for the shower. 2 shower heads. So there's ample space for the both. Window seat there. And of course, the free-floating bathtub. It's beautiful, right? Now this space over here gives you a little more closet space. Yeah. And since it's 7 bedrooms, I want to share just maybe 1 or 2 more. This is, again, a renovated house with 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, wall of windows there, and your front door there. So there was 1 bedroom on the first level. This is bedroom number 3. And we have 4, and there is a bathroom inside that room. This is 5. And we also have bedrooms in the basement, which we did not visit. But I'm Marvelyn Lewis. I'd love to sell you this home. It's in Stone Mountain, Georgia, and you can contact me for anything in the Metro Atlanta area.